It's so hot out.
It makes me feel hot.
It's cloudy. It's sunny. It was sunny, so hot, guys.
Ha-ha!
Hey, let's make a swimming pool.
Good idea!
This is my idea.
Ha-ha!
Amazing! Good idea! Let's go, guys!
Go, go, go!
Stop!
You will make the pool here for me.
Ho ho ho! Ha ha ha! I've got sand in my shorts.
Amazing!
This water sure looks expensive.
Water!
Look at the flowing water, but it doesn't seem feasible.
Huh? Oh no.
Let's call another water car. Please call the car to come here to pour water into the red shirt.
Go, go, go!
Let's go to build a pool. Let's go to my brother's.
Let's go, guys!
Okay.
I will pump water for you to build a swimming pool.
Oh, thank you!
Let's destroy the city.
Ho ho ho!
Stop!
Wow! Amazing!
Это shoes, пацаны!
Ha-ha! Ha-ha!
I like rape. Amazing!
Help me! Help me!
What is happening here?
What happens in a few days?
Now, what should I do? Go, go, go!
Ha-ha!
Let's go, guys!
Help me! Help me!
What is happening here?
Let's go!
Go, go, go!
Let's go!
Ha-ha!
Hello!
Now, what should I do?
Let's destroy the city.
Ha-ha!
Jerry and I are leaving, but I found we will return.
Help me!
Help me! Help me!
Thank you. Thank you.
Ha-ha!
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Hello?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I will be raking in money with one hand and reading my book for the book club with the other. Mind if I join you? And reading my book for the book club with the other.
amazing!
Wow! Wow!
Aha! Bye-bye!
Go, go, go!
Aha!
Bye, have a great time!
Hey, why don't you go get a friend over here?
Let's go! Goodbye.